Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bee's Kitchen menu, we're gonna make apple butter and barbecue chicken with cheesy baked potatoes and green beans. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna season our chicken with garlic salt, onion powder, black pepper, and olive oil. Rub the chicken with the seasoning and olive oil and place it on a roasting pan. Then we're gonna bake it on a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Okay, it's been 35 minutes. I pulled out the chicken. I'm gonna flip it over and put it back in the oven to cook for 10 more minutes. Next, we're gonna work on the potatoes. Prick the potatoes with the fork, just like so guys. I already washed the potatoes and place them in the bowl. Drizzle olive oil on the potatoes. Season with salt and black pepper. Coat the potatoes with olive oil and salt. Bake the potatoes at 400 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Next, we're gonna work on our green beans. Place them in the bowl and wash them under running water. On a high heat, I have my water boiling on the stove. Add salt, then add the green beans and let them cook for 2 minutes. Remove the green beans and put them in ice water bath. Allow the green beans to sit in the water for 2 minutes. Then drain out the water and set it aside. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, add garlic. Cook it for 1 minute. Keep stirring guys so that it don't burn. Add green beans, salt, add black pepper, red pepper flakes. Then toss everything together. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, our green beans are done. Now let's go ahead and make our barbecue glaze. In a small bowl, I'm gonna add apple butter, barbecue sauce. I'm using honey barbecue sauce guys. Mix everything together. And set it aside. Remove the chicken from the oven. Baste the chicken with the barbecue glaze. Guys, you need to try this glaze. It's so good. Every time when you make chicken this way, it will take you to Mama B's kitchen. Okay, we're gonna continue basting our chicken with apple butter barbecue glaze. Sprinkle some cracked black pepper. Then place it back into the oven and let it broil for 5 minutes. Our chicken is done. Look how delectable it is, guys. I just pulled out the potatoes. Now it's time to serve. The beauty of this dish, guys, is that it's so very simple. Just a few small steps and you've got your perfectly dinner on the table. If you like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. There you have it, guys. Apple butter barbecue chicken with cheesy potato and green beans. Guys, this recipe is so easy and delicious. Try it and please share it with your friends and your family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.